Hi there, it's George here, and today I will remove my banana plant from the garden because winter is coming and will not resist in winter time. So was the first frost already, and as you can see the leaves are dry, and I have to do that to dig around it and move it in the house, and I will show you where I will keep this beautiful banana plant over winter, and that's it. It's too huge this banana plant to fit in the house, but I have to cut it, and then in the springtime will grow back. I will not cut a lot, just a little bit to fit in the house, and such a beautiful that grow all the summer, this banana plant. I can protect it, but I don't want to risk because it's not Musa Basjo, it's another variety and cannot resist climate in my region, that's it. So I'm gonna do that local web pseudostem, how it was grow, very thick already. And in the house I will not let it to grow because of a selling, that's it. Well, here I dig a little bit already. It's quite hard to dig because the soil is dry, but what to do little by little, and we can see here the root system and a baby banana plant, which I'm gonna divide and plant in the pot. And another one more big here, as you can see, and as you can see how I dig out the banana plant, and it's too long the pseudostem, have to cut it. The baby banana plant is long too, another one, and here is a beauty with many root system, and this time already did grow inside the first leaf, that is amazing. So looking forward to grow more leaves. And here I planted my banana plant in this box and will here all the winter until the springtime, and look at the pseudostem. How long is it? Here I have a small windows, that's it, and I cut it from there and started to grow a little bit, but there is the selling, will not grow a lot. Then I will cut again. That's it. That's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching to the end. George was here. Greetings from Moldova. Subscribe, activate that bell if you want, and you can subscribe to my photography channel. Link is in the corner and in the description. And see you next time. Have an amazing day and happy holidays.